Right now, we are going to try Punggol Nasi Lemak. That is famous in Singapore too, because that thing, local heroes Singapore. That is a collection of several like small stalls, I think, that are popular in Malaysia, not Malaysia, Singapore. So this is Punggol Nasi Lemak. It's the most popular nasi lemak in Singapore. So nasi lemak is kind of like Singaporean, Malaysian, Indonesian also has nasi lemak. This is sambal, chili, fried chicken. I'm taking it away because I just don't want to waste this thing. It's gonna be too much, I think. It's a big portion if it's getting it for here. Let's enjoy our nasi lemak. Telur, that is egg, sambal, fried chicken, and the nasi lemak is the special rice, like coconut rice. Ooh. Enjoy for me.